Very nice. Wow. Wow. Steve, that was one of the most remarkable rides I've ever experienced. And although very loud. To be honest, I didn't expect it when I got in the car. I mean, I expected it to be alright, because you're after all on Air 1s, you have bucket seats, half cage, etc. So the recipe is there, but actually the way it handled was phenomenal. So you're on B16 suspension, Bernstein B16, you have Powerflex bushings, at least I saw the sticker. So.
Yeah. All the front.
Yeah, are you're still on Bramble pads, or you have something else now?
EBC blue stuff.
EBC blue stuff, and Mintex?
MTech discs.
MTech, yeah. Engine, anything done to it?
Power wise, around 240.
240.
Only a little one.
Yeah.
But it looks nice-ish.
It's the thing is, it performed, and by performance I mean it's modified slightly. Well, yeah, just nicely. But I was flooring it up the hill. It didn't overheat, and the aircon didn't stop blowing.
I've recently done the thermostat, which is going to be amazing. Obviously going to help that.
It's amazing. Really, really good. Oh, the Wasp is also checking out.
Still
wow,
after us.
It's actually like, wow. It's like, wow, okay. No, amazing. Yeah, as mentioned, B16, Air 1s, all of that we covered. Interior-wise, bucket seats. Oh, fast. All kinds of stuff. Bucket seats, harnesses. It's a manual, also good. Front wheel drive here, of course, because it's not an S or an RS. But yeah, again, as mentioned, you will see me. I was really surprised by how good it was. So good job on the setup and the build. And yeah, just get bigger brakes for next time.
100%.
I think that's the only thing you need, honestly.
You'll see me next year.
Yeah, awesome. Looking forward to that. See you then.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And you guys enjoy the lap. Quick shameless plug before the onboard. We're doing autumn sale on my website nürburgring.com that has Nürburgring licensed products that I have helped to co-develop or design, such as Nürburgring guides, posters, socks, you name it. Use code Misha15 and get 15% discount on all the products that are not discounted already until the end of October. And now let's go for a lap. Okay, last lap of the day. Have to be under my phone, under my knee, under my foot, because I cannot reach my pocket with the belts. All right, it's gonna be pretty busy because the track was just closed and everyone wants to do their last lap of the day. So let's have some fun. It's been a long, spicy day with lots of track closures. Hearing a wind noise. Unfortunate. Mustang vibes. Oh, almost flat through here, that's nice. Actually, that girl is driving pretty hard. Tires. Other than that, the handling is quite good. Shout out to Bernstein V16 suspension. Can use a bit better braking power in combination with the suspension and the tires that we have. So it's quite alright. It's a very easy car to drive. I really, really like it. Can even do some nice lift off overs here. Very, very nice. The window is a bit sad. Yeah. What license plate is that? Is that like Algiers or Morocco or something? I remember something similar. a bit of a wing. It has something, but yeah, not everything. I remember when the first, I hope you can hear me because of the wind noise. When the first gen CD came out, they had recalled it because the cars were losing the back end on the straights in Autobahn, and they had to make like a ducktail to the car, so it would be not lethal. Oh, that was very nice. Wow, wow, one of the best, I don't know, forced entries ever. Very, very cool. So we have another funky license plated BMW. Come on, reboost. Temperature is still okay, at least the water temperature that we see on the gauge. Nice. Too much on the brakes through here. A little lift would have sufficed. Would have been enough. Oh, that's nice. I expected much more traffic for the last lap of the day, especially the traffic jam we were through. This is really nice. I'm really enjoying myself. Really nice balanced car. Really, really good. I'll just have slightly more. That felt like a tiny bit of spillage. Today we had so many closures due to oil spills and coolant spills, so I would be surprised that there was just something that someone dropped again or they didn't clean it. This morning it was like oil spill from Hudson-Bach all the way to Foxhole, so basically it's like 3 kilometers or 1.4 miles or something, I don't know, whatever that is in freedom units. So now we'll see if I'm seeing, I thought I saw some spill trail over there where I lifted. The choice of the green town. Public session. Good, brother. Thank you. Very nice. Could have kept it in birds. The second was too bad. Hello, Martin. It's a good exit. Very happy with that. Challenge to the new level. I love the entry, the version 1. That was really on the edge in terms of not hitting the curb. Super, super good. Really nice. I'm really impressed by the car's handling. I'll be honest, you know, I didn't expect much from this, but the way this car handles the setup is really nice. Wow. Super, super good. Because there is lots of wheel spin happening. And that's like there's a bit of roll because B16 is not the stiffest suspension, but you can use it so nicely just by letting the car really lose traction, like here. Phenomenal. That was a 405. What is it? M16? What's it called? Oh, it's an interesting like layout there with 5 cars next to each other, because why not? Track is closed. I'm super happy. This was one of the most surprising cars, can we say that? The car that I didn't expect to be this good. Because on papers it had the right mods, yes, AR1 slicks, you had the B16 suspension, you had different brake pads, but the key, you can have the best tools, but if you do not know how to set them up, you can have the best car on paper, Lamborghini STO, but if it's not set up correctly, then what's the use, what's the point? And in this case, it's fantastic, fabulous, lovely. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, yes, of course you can have a bit, yeah, okay, on a serious note, I would have wished for slightly better brake pads / brake system to feel a bit more confident and brake a bit later. Yes, tires were good because you could put stickier CRS on, but I think you would lose then a lot of like throwing around. I really like the fact that you could slide it around, and yeah, you can have stiffer suspension, but I think setup wise the car is perfect for the speeds that you're doing. Just the pads, I think, just a tiny bit of braking performance. I'm like constantly driving JDM, non-JDM cars and mixing all the, what's it called, the indicator. Yeah, so with bigger brake system you have also more pad longevity, so I think pads would be nice, like better brakes for this car, and everything else is good as is. Really wouldn't change anything, because I assume it's modified and it survived flat out abuse. So fantastic. Now it's time to go home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it made you happier. And oh, he had a In Downforce We Trust t-shirt. Oh, I saw it. We should do a re-release of that shirt, because that was like very popular. Yeah, I hope this video made you a bit happy. If it did, share it with someone else to make them happy. Thanks for watching, for your support. See you soon. Bye bye.